It's like Welsh grape juice.
Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm on the South Coast. Came here to do a video on a particular fruit. Yes, I'm on the journey to showcase the best and most unique fruits in Jamaica. But listen to this. It was out of season. But the lady said to me, there is actually another fruit in her yard that she wanted to show me. She didn't quite remember the name. So we came and take a look. Turns out it was what you know, probably know, as Ribena. We know it as JAVAPLUM here. We're gonna check it out and I'm gonna share the experience with you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of these videos capturing this stuff, people like her. They call it the real Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So go ahead man, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. And that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. It's the tree, guys. What's the name again, Cher? JAVAPLUM. Or what's the scientific name again? Alright, so the scientific name we're learning and we're sharing that information with you guys. The scientific name is Syzygium cumini. Syzygium cumini. And this is the plant here. And these are beautiful JAVAPLUM. I'm gonna say JAVAPLUM. It's breeze. There's a lot of breeze here. I hope you can hear me. But that's a fruit. That's a ripe fruit here, right? And this is the blossom and stuff. This is the blossom and stuff that you're seeing here. This is some younger ones coming up. Breeze is a little heavy. Younger ones, more blossom. And this is Ms Rowe, the owner of the JAVAPLUM tree here. Ms Rowe, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Good, thank you so much. I appreciate you telling me about the tree, even though you didn't quite remember the name.
Yes.
But you brought me here and I'm so excited. And guys, those of you I'm really happy to be able to find something like this. So I can share with you. This fruit here, how long you have it here? How long you have this tree here?
Around must be about 11 years.
11 years? And you get fruit from it every year?
Yes.
Alright, so tell me, what do you know about this particular plant? What from your local knowledge, what do you know?
Yes, it's a special tree. Special fruit. And it's not common.
Yeah.
But yes, plenty of people in Jamaica don't know it.
Yes. How do you use it?
Well,
do you use it at all?
Yes.
How do you use it?
They put it in bottle and stay there and drain, make its own juice. Or if you want to take your hands and rub it, like how you do other fruits, and get the juice. But most people said put it into a bottle and it's drain, make its own juice.
So you wait until it fall off a tree, or you pick it up from it? Pick it off,
yes.
Pick it from the tree?
Yes, and when it fall. Yes.
And how, like the juice, so you put it in the bottle for it to drain our juice, and then you drink the juice?
Yes.
Do you mix it with anything?
No.
You just drink it? And like how much do you drink? I mean...
Natural, like, well, I would drink that 2 big glass.
2 big glass? What does it taste like, Ms Rowe?
It's like Welsh grape juice.
Oh, Welsh grape juice.
Yes.
How does it taste?
Delicious.
Do you feel any way like you want to sleep, or you get energetic, or just asking? I don't know. If it does, fine. If it doesn't,
yes, it's give me a overall calmness. Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm here to tell you that this is an extremely nutritious fruit.
Exactly.
It is considered to be a miracle fruit. In fact, in some parts of the world, it is revered.
Yes.
It is revered. By the way, guys, I'm gonna give you a little bit of history of this fruit. This fruit locally is called JAVAPLUM. There are other local names for it, but JAVAPLUM is the popular local name here in Jamaica. Even though the fruit itself is not so popular, but it's from Asia, and it's used a lot in those parts. I'm gonna share a little bit of the health benefits with you as well. Again, this is a fruit. It's just actually starting to ripe. So there are only a few of them on the tree right now that are ripe, and ripe meaning they are almost purple or black. Dark purple, yes, which is almost black.
Yes, dark purple.
I'm gonna ask Ms Rowe to pick it and just pick one and show you what it looks like in hand and actually break it so you can see that as well. So go ahead, Ms Rowe. Alright, so guys, we find a nice Ms Rowe. Hold on, Ms Rowe. You sure you want to pull down the entire bunch? Are you alright? Alright, okay, good. So let's take off one, Ms Rowe. Alright, so this is a nice fat bunch here, guys. And Ms Rowe is going to pick one. Pick one. Go ahead, Ms Rowe. Go ahead and pick it. Breeze is blowing, so bear with us, bear with us. It's heavy breeze here in St. Elizabeth. Alright, so it fall down here. Okay, alright, so this is it. This is it. Alright, so break. So this is it. It actually is about the size of a cherry, roughly. About a cherry. Approximately.
More than a cherry, this one.
A little bigger than a cherry.
Yes.
Okay. And it's outside is it's dark purple, almost black. Inside is purple. So just break it, cut it. I'm gonna ask you to cut it, miss. Or break it. Oh wait, go ahead and break it. Go ahead and break it. And let's see what it looks like. Open it all the way, man. Oh, open it all the way.
Oh, may I come?
Open it all the way.
May I come?
Alright. Is that a seed in there? Is there any seed?
There's a seed.
Just one seed or multiple seeds?
One seed.
One seed. Oh, just actually open it, man. Open it all the way. And let's look at it. So it's very soft. Oh, there's one main seed in there.
One seed.
One seed. One seed. That so that is a JAVAPLUM. And typically you say you put it in the put it in the bottle.
Yes,
and leave it.
Yes.
And how long do you normally leave it there?
Well, at least
like a week?
No, or 2 months or so.
2 months?
Yes.
Oh, you leave it for a while?
Yes, for a while. Put it for a while.
Okay.
To drain.
Drain properly.
Juice. Yes.
Okay. So this is what it looks like, guys. Crushed now. Do you blend it as well? Do you know anybody who blend it and use it?
No, you just use your hand and
crush it and
crush it.
Okay. You don't blend it with any other fruit?
No.
Don't kill it.
No.
Alright, guys, I want to hear from you. This is those of you who know about this already. Well, again, probably you know it as Ribena, but it's JAVAPLUM. That's the name. And the scientific name, if you want to research it further, is Syzygium cumini. Syzygium cumini. But that's it. And Ms Rowe is sitting on a gold mine here because she has a tree here. And you say sometime, Ms Rowe, when it's season and how often does it bear?
Oh, one time per year.
One per year. Yes. Which is usually what time of year?
The full time is from now to October.
Okay. October.
Yes.
Okay. October. No, meaning when so now for those who are watching the replay, it's actually August to October.
Yes.
Okay.
Or a little sometime over October. Down to November.
And then, but what you said earlier to me off camera was that sometimes it just bear and just scatter on the ground. And
yes, and bees.
And bees take it too?
Yes, bees, oh God, that's bees food.
And sometimes you just leave it there?
I don't have nothing to do with it, yes.
You can't manage so much?
No.
Oh, where did you get the plant? I'm curious.
Oh, it's a lady that do flowers. You know.
She gave it to you or you bought it?
She gave it to me.
Okay. But you didn't know, but did you know that it's a powerful plant? I mean,
just take it lightly.
It's a miracle plant? A fruit?
I know it was a fruit, but never know
the full health benefit.
That's right.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a test myself, a taste test. This is the JAVAPLUM. Syzygium cumini, that's the scientific name. But this is what it looks like. Very soft on the inside and succulent. Look, right? Squeeze and it just break right away. One seed. Alright, so it's very tangy in my estimation. Right? It's not very beautiful. Yeah, it's not very sweet. It's more tangy than sweet.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is the one seed that comes out of it.
Yes.
One single seed. Right, but what we're learning now is how powerful this particular fruit is. Alright, so Ms Rowe is telling me that there might be more health benefits, more value in the seed.
Yes.
So let me look. I'm gonna break the seed and look at it.
Yes.
And don't worry, we have holy here. See there.
It's the same fruit.
Ah.
Take it out. Same fruit. Yes.
Oh, so it's actually green. It's green.
Inside, that's why it's cute.
Green. And in, hold on. Inside it, inside the purple seed, it's green. But inside there as well, there's a little bit of white. I'm not sure what's going on there, but suffice to say that this is an extremely healthy product. So anyway, I'm gonna share some of the health benefits with you right now, guys, and answer some of the questions, the popular questions people ask about JAVAPLUM. Yeah, we did our own research and we're gonna share that with you right now. So, what are the health benefits of JAVAPLUM? Here are what they call 7 amazing health benefits. It improves your hemoglobin count, loaded with vitamin C and iron. It has astringent properties. It improves the health of your eyes and skin, keeps your heart healthy, strengthens your gums and teeth, prevents infection, and the big one, a treatment for diabetes. It also shields against infection, aids in digestion, treats anemia, fights respiratory issues, enhances libido, and a whole lot more. Those are some of the main health benefits of this amazing fruit. Question: what is JAVAPLUM good for? According to WebMD, it is effective in preventing common infections. It can act as good remedy for symptoms of diabetes such as excessive urination and thirst. It also has a low glycemic content which helps maintain blood sugar levels. What does it taste like? I tried to explain that a little earlier. The reading here says it's a little bit astringent and sweet, but not too sweet. Can you eat JAVAPLUM? Absolutely, absolutely. And it requires no special preparation. You saw me doing that earlier. Just give it a quick rinse and you're good to go. Note though, be careful of the purple juice that it drips out of the fruit when taking a bite. We spoke about that, Ms Rowe, and it may stain your clothes, so we spoke about that as well. Yes. Who should not eat JAVAPLUM? By the way, another name is also jamun. Who should not eat it? Although it is said that jamun can cure digestive problems, going overboard with it may cause constipation. And one of the most popular questions that we get is that is it good for high blood pressure? It is stomachic, carminative, and diuretic, apart from having cooling and digestive properties. The seeds are also known for their medicinal properties and are used to treat diabetes, diarrhea, and dysentery. Is JAVAPLUM good for weight loss? It actually helps in weight loss, they say. Eating a small serving of JAVAPLUM as a snack can help in weight loss. It contains a moderate amount of calories, about 75 calories per cup, and is fit for a weight loss diet, as they contain absolutely no fats. One more question: is JAVAPLUM a laxative? Actually, they say JAVAPLUM and its seed helps to control diarrhea. This is because of its kashaya, or astringent and absorbent properties. It helps to thicken loose stool and control the frequency to loose motion or diarrhea. Surprise, surprise for you, Ms Rowe. You didn't know that you have a miracle plant in the backyard, right?
No.
You didn't know. You know you had it here, you know you had something here, but you know you drink it and people take it and whatever it is, but you didn't know there was so much to it.
Yeah, so much values.
Yes. So you sell it though? Do you sell it?
No.
Not officially, but the message is out now.
Right.
If persons are interested in getting your JAVAPLUM, for whatever reason, is there a number they can reach you at?
Yes.
What's your number?
858 1212. And then 876 480 5160.
Alright, well, she's getting the number from her daughter, guys. She didn't quite know the number. Alright, so those are two numbers. Two numbers, Ms.
Rowe.
Ms. Rowe.
Yes.
Okay, if anybody wants to get it from you, they can just call you and you are ready to get it. But it's seasonal, so it's not gonna last forever.
Right.
So it's just coming in season now, guys.
Yes,
so it's a good time to reach out to her.
Until around the first part in November.
First part in November.
Yes.
But you're also on the main here in St. Elizabeth,
Yes,
Crawford.
Crawford.
So
Yes,
where can people, if they want to stop by?
She's between Black River and White House.
Okay.
Between Black River and White House.
All right. So her daughter is in the background. It says between Black River and White House.
Yes.
In Black River in St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
And White House in Westmoreland. That's it. That's the community. It's called Crawford.
Yes.
So and she's right on the main.
Right.
Call her and get your JAVAPLUM. Jamun. What's the other name again? The scientific name. I keep forgetting the scientific. Syzygium cumini. All right. Thank you so much, Ms Rowe.
Yes.
Appreciate it. All the best. And make sure you take more of it, man. It's a whole bunch of health benefits.
Yes.
To keep you looking young and fresh. All right?
Yes.
All right. The JAVAPLUM, guys, courtesy of Ms Rowe. Over to you. Tell me, did you know about this fruit? Have you seen it before? What did you learn today? I would love to hear from you. Drop it in the comments below. And remember, I do a lot of videos on Jamaica, but I'm doing a particular series on fruits. If you have not yet checked my channel, go ahead and go across and check my other videos on fruits in Jamaica. There's one particular one though, the dragon fruit. I don't want you to miss. So hop across or check the card and see you in that particular one, the dragon fruit.